Now let me tell you something. I'm not really a fan of sneakers, but after getting this, I think I'm gonna have to reconsider. Hey, what's up guys, it's Marlon and welcome back to my channel. I create content about tech, fashion, travel, and music. And if you're interested in any one of those, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. During the lockdown period, there's really nothing much to do. All I did back then was add items to my cart. I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one here, right? Online shopping can be really fun. Don't get me wrong. But most often than not, it gets to a point that you just can't stop yourself. It gets really addictive. Not noticing you breaking your bank really hard. It was fun though. It happened to me a couple of months ago. I have so much stuff that I bought online, which I haven't unboxed yet up until now. This actually gave me the idea of why not make review videos exactly just like this one. So during the lockdown period, I bought this really nice looking shoes. At first I thought it wouldn't look good in person, but man, it's exactly what's in the picture. This sneaker is gold. I absolutely love it. It's the Nike Air Force 1 LV8. LV8? I'm pretty sure it's called LV8. So I got the white color. There are other color variations, but for me, I think the white is the best one. I'm not a sneaker geek, but I'll give my personal opinion in terms of design, comfort, price, and practicality. First, let's talk about the design. Simple, clean, pero malakas ang dating. This shoes looks amazing. The gray camouflage-like design on the shoelace area is my favorite detail. That's actually the main reason why I get this. Combining white and gray is just perfect. The black part on the inside added more sophistication to the overall design. It gave way to a black lining looking from outside. The sole is not the normal height, so this will add a bit of height to the person wearing it. So this sneaker is perfect for someone like me who's not really blessed with height. Price-wise, I got this for 160 Australian dollars. It's around 100 US dollars. In Philippine peso, around 5,000 to 6,000 pesos. This particular one is now sold out in Australia. It's really hard to get a pair of this at the moment. Third, comfort. This feels really comfortable when you're wearing it. Looks a bit chunky, but really it's lightweight. You almost wouldn't feel it when you're wearing it. Now lastly, practicality. This would definitely my go-to shoes when meeting with friends, maybe for casual events, walking your dog when you're out and about. Definitely not for formal events. Yes, you can, but I'd probably not. I only have one main concern here. The fact that it's white. It's hard to maintain clean. But if you don't mind cleaning it after every use, then go for it. I would say go for it. Now that's it for today's video. Now if you like the Nike Air Force 1 LV8 and you're planning to actually get one, I'll put the links down in the description below where you can get it. Now that's it for today. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.